Spotahome in Valencia, and today I'm going to show you an apartment in Rutafa neighborhood in Mosén Femenia Street, an apartment located in the most trending neighborhood in Valencia nowadays. Rutafa has all the best restaurants and cultural places. You got also the Rutafa market, where you can buy fresh food and vegetables, and it's a great place to make your daily shopping. And also you have some supermarkets and food stores, pharmacies. Has all the services that you need for your life in Valencia. It's very well connected with the rest of the city by bus. You have a lot of lines of bus all around the building, and you are one step to the center, to the historical center, just 10 minutes walking from here. And there you can find the main monuments of the city, and it's also a great place. The apartment is a third floor with an elevator, has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and I'm gonna show you. And there is the entrance hall, the entrance door, and you go direct to the living and kitchen and dining area. Here you got the 2 bedrooms, and over there the bathroom. Here in the living you have a bed sofa, 3 people and chairs long, a coffee table, a flat TV. There you got some shelving, a mirror, and over here you got a dining table with 4 chairs, more shelving here. And in this side you got the kitchen area, where you got the washing machine, and here you got some storage space with the cleaning stuff, the fridge and freezer, the microwaves. You got some drawers with kitchen stuff, electrical stove, oven, the smoke extractor. There you have glasses, cups, mugs, a kettle, sink. There you have the cutlery, more storage with more cleaning stuff, dishwasher, and there is the electrical water heating system. Okay, it's nice. You got a window with interior patio views. There is the AC unit, and this door is for the bathroom. It's quite nice. You got this, you have toilet, sink, mirror, and bathtub. Okay, so crossing the living, we arrive to the bedroom number 1. This bedroom has twin beds with 2 bedside tables with drawers and lamps. Here you got a chair, a chest of drawers, and a door, a glass door with access to a balcony, where you have street views to a pedestrian street. From here you can see the Rutafa market. Okay, so only left 1 bedroom, that is here. This is the bedroom number 2. This bedroom has a double bed, 2 bedside tables with lamps. You got here a wardrobe with 4 doors, and you have here a glass door to go outside, a balcony with the same street views. And both bedrooms has an AC units. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Was Jose Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adios.